I've been coming here last 3-4 years and I've seen it grow exponentially. I think it's definitely creating a value in the tech industry for sure.
Having multiple players, international attendees come brings the message that the UK is that centre of AI growth.
It's important to be here, ask the questions. It's not often you get the opportunity to speak to as many people as you do in one day. So many like-minded people who are sort of looking at the same things as you.
It's very important because it really connects folks that are on the same wavelength, that speak the same language, right? It's like a community.
We've got experts here on storage, compute, networking, AI services. We're in the big data and AI world and we wouldn't want to miss out.
Understand, what the latest and greatest in tech is, what other companies are doing and how they're innovating, because I think innovation is ultimately what's going to drive us as an industry.
The scale of it is breathtaking. It's absolutely massive. It's fantastic to have access to so many vendors, seminars.
I think these panel discussions are still really vital for creating those networks and stimulating the conversations.
It's a great exercise for stimulating your intellect, opening your mind to new horizons, learn what's happening across, different industries.
I've already met a lot of very interesting, inspiring people. I attended different talks, so I'm very, very inspired, definitely.
Sometimes you're working in your own little firm or silo thinking you've got all these problems to solve, and actually what this goes to show is we're trying to figure it out together. So having it here where everyone can talk about it and solutionise is a really rare opportunity.